Hello, my dear students! Today we are going to learn how to make a logo using Canva. However, since some features may be limited, you may also use other applications available like Google Drawing or PowerPoint. Before designing your logo, make sure you identify the product or service you have in mind. Next, think about the personality of your brand. Is it funny or serious? Is it youthful or mature? And of course, you will need a unique name. Try doing some research first to see if the name is already taken, and look for inspirations for your logo. Sketching logo ideas is also an important preliminary work before coming up with your final digital design. There are different styles of logo design. It could be a symbol that uses symbolic shapes or icon. This can be recognizable even without the name of the company. Next, there's the Wordmark. This is a logo that uses text, typically a brand's initials or the first letter of the brand's name. Another type is the combination mark. This is a logo that combines symbol and wordmark logo types. Once you have identified the style that you like, you can now start sketching some ideas. Let's apply the different elements of a logo, starting with lines and shapes. Take a look at these examples. Each line or shape, though simple, help communicate the product or service of that company through fonts or images. Another important element is color. When it comes to making a logo, less is more. Using all the colors on the color wheel can be visually overwhelming, so it's good to stick to 4 colors or less. People usually connect colors with feelings or experiences, just like how green is usually used for companies that have to do with nature, healing, or growth. Black, on the other hand, is used to represent sophisticated or classy brands. You may refer to this slide for the meaning of each color. Now, let me show you different techniques to make a logo using Canva. Let's start by logging into Canva and search logo in the homepage. When you select a blank template, it should have a plain white page where we will create our logo. We will first try the Wordmark logo type. I will show you an example for my online clothing store called Sarah's Apparel. I'd like to show my feminine or minimalist personality, so I will use a flesh tone for the background color. Now, I'm adding a simple border to give more contrast and focus on the name. Next, I will combine 2 font styles, script and sans serif. I used a script font to represent a feminine personality since I'm naming the store after myself. In Canva, you can add effects on text like shadow, echo, or curve. Now, to create contrast, I used a sans serif font to clearly show the product that I'm selling. To know more about fonts, you may watch this video about typography. Next, I'll show you how we can make a symbolic type of logo in Canva. Let's say that I design hand-weaved clothing. For my symbol, I want it to be circular and balanced, so I'm adding a circle with rough edges to give a rugged appearance. For the weave pattern, I will use horizontal lines to form a letter S for Sarah. To add a line, you can press L on the keyboard. The new feature of Canva allows you to change the width and style of the line. The thicker the line, the bolder the pattern will be. To duplicate lines or shapes, you can press Ctrl or Command plus D to make an exact copy of that element. If you want to make sure that the lines are evenly spaced, you can click Position and click vertical for aligning horizontal lines. Next, I will add a triangle shape to complete the design of the weave. I'll just change the color and place it in the center. To make sure that your elements are in the center, click Position and Align Center. Now that I have completed the icon, I will now group the elements together and add the name of my company below. Adding space to your letters can help the audience read the name quickly. You can do that by clicking the text spacing icon and adjust the space between letters. Now we're done! Save your logo by clicking Download and make sure it's in PNG for a high-quality image. Good job, everyone! I hope this quick tutorial helped you create a logo using Canva. See you again soon!